Hello students, welcome to another session of e-learning in Panchkarm, and today we will be covering an important topic which is Keraliya Panchkarm and its correlation with Shastrokta Panchkarm. As we all know, Keraliya Panchkarm has become very famous across the globe due to its efficacy and very well delivered treatment modalities. So Keraliya Panchkarm is what? A unique new treatment modalities or the traditional treatment modalities which have been modified. Kerala Panchkarm is various modified forms of traditional Panchkarm therapy which are practiced in southern India, especially in Kerala, which are now very famous across the globe due to their wide practice in Kerala. They are not very different from the traditional Panchkarma therapies which have been described in the Shastra. Some of the famous and practiced in abundance procedures amongst Kerala Panchkarma therapies include Dharakalp, Pendisved like Navarakizi, Elakizi, Podikizi, etc., Annalepanam, Kayasek or Pijichil, Mastishke, and various forms of Sthani Basti. First amongst these is Dhara or Dharakalp. Shirodhara, Dhara or Dharakalp has been a synonym for Kerala Panchkarma for quite a while now because of the magnificent results it provides as well as on how frequently it is practiced across the globe with Ayurveda practitioners as well as especially in Kerala as a part of therapy and as part of tourism. In Dharakal, medicated oils, quat, dugdh, ghrith, etc. are poured slowly over the head through a special pot which is also known as dhara pot or dhara patra, which is hanged at a specific height, and the whole procedure is also famous as Shirodhara. This treatment is given for neurological as well as various psychological and psychosomatic disorders. The process of dhara includes two different ways. One is in which a static or same time period is given across the course of treatment, and the second in which there is a gradual increment in time per day until a specific point is achieved, and then it is reduced back to the starting duration. For example, if the treatment is being given for 7 days, the treatment may be started from 15 minutes and gradually taken to 60 minutes and then return back to 15 minutes. Pind Swed or bolus massage or potli swed. Various forms of potlis according to the material used are being practiced since ancient times. In Kerala Panchkarma they have been practiced and enhanced according to the need of the era. What is Pindaswed? In this, a bolus made up of different materials, for example, payas of Shashtik Shali cooked in milk and balakwat in case of Shashtik Shali Pindaswed, also famous as Navarakizi, or of leaves in case of Patra Pindaswed, which is also famous as Elakizi, and of various powders of herbs which is also famous as Podikizi, is used for fermentation over the body. Abhyang is done before the procedure in case of Snigdha Pindaswed and in case of Ruksha Pindaswed, for example by dry bolus made of powders, like in case of Churna Pindaswed, is not preceded by Abhyang, and it is used for various musculoskeletal and neurological disorders successfully. Next treatment is Kayasek or Pijichil. It is a procedure in which medicated oil, decoction, ghee, etc. are poured over whole body from an appropriate height, which is approximately 12 angul. During the treatment, light massage is also carried out simultaneously, and it is useful in various neuromuscular and musculoskeletal diseases. Another famous type of treatment from Kerala is Mastishke, also famous as Talam or Talapottichil. Mastishke or Talam, as the name suggests, is a treatment for the talam or the head region where Mastishk resides. In this procedure, paste of boiled amlaki is smeared over the forehead, leaving the anterior fontanelle open at a depression of about 1 centimeter, which is filled with medicated oil and is then covered with the leaves of erund. It is useful in psychological and various other brain or neurological disorders. This treatment is also widely practiced as a part of Marmaraksha during the treatments of various forms of Swedan, which are very extensive and strong in nature. Sthani Basti is another treatment which has been made famous by Kerala practitioners and is a treatment in which oil or sneh is stored over a particular part of the body to give its results. Basti, as we all know, literally means to stay or to reside for some time. Therefore, in some local applications where oil is kept on external parts of the body for a desired amount of time are termed as basti by adding adjective or of the name of that region. For instance, if the oil is kept on kati, then it is named as kati basti, or if it is placed on janu, that is knee, it is named as janu basti, and similarly griva basti, uro basti, etc. The treatments which are included under the umbrella term of Sthani Basti are Kati Basti, which is done in the lumbosacral region in Kati Pradesh for various forms of Vataj Vyadhi. Uro Basti, which is performed over the Uru, specifically for various ailments pertaining to Pranavaya Srotas or specifically Hriday. Janu Basti, which is done for various disorders of Sandhi, that is Janu Sandhi, especially osteoarthritis, etc. Shirobasti. Shirobasti is the first form of Sthani Basti which has been mentioned by the Acharyas in the ancient texts as well and is done for scalp related disorders as well as various psychosomatic disorders. Prishtbasti, as the name suggests, is done over the prisht for various forms of spinal and muscular disorders. And last but not the least, Griva Basti, which is performed over the cervical region for diseases pertaining to cervical spine. A question often arises whether there is any correlation between Keraliya and Shastrokta Panchkarm or whether Keraliya Panchkarm is different from Shastrokta Panchkarm. The answer is there is no difference. Only difference, if any, is that the Kerala practitioners have in fact enhanced the practice and specialized the procedures by modifying them according to the need of the time. For example, Kerala Panchkarm, famous as Dharakalp, is compared or comparable to Murdhani Tel or Sek or Shirah Sek according to comparative Shastriya Panchkarm. Pindaswed, which is famous in Kerala, is comparative to various forms of Sankar Swed, which are Snigdha Ruksh and Ruksh. For example, Navarakizi, that is a Snigdha Sankar Swed. Elakizi is a Snigdha Ruksha type of Sankar Swed, and Podikizi is a type of Ruksha Sankar Swed. Kayasek can be compared to the Parishek Swed according to Shastriya Panchkarm. Annalepan can be compared to Snigdha Sankar Swed. Talpotichil is comparable to Mastishke, which is mentioned for Marmaraksha during the Swedan Karma. And Sthanik Basti has derived its concept from the details of Shirobasti. Therefore, we can conclude that there is not scientific difference between the Keraliya and Shastrokta Panchkarma. In fact, Keraliya Panchkarma has enhanced the Shastrokta Panchkarma and it has made it more famous and more acceptable across the globe. When both the type of Panchkarma are same, where do they derive their basic principles from? They derive their basic principles from Dvivid Upkram or Shadvid Upkram, that is Langan and Brihan. All the Panchkarma modalities, including Purv Karma, Pradhan Karma and Paschat Karma, can easily get included under these 2 or 6 headings, which we will study in the next slides. For ease of understanding, we will study Shadvid Upkram and various karma including Purv, Pradhan and Paschat, which can be included under those headings. Langan can include Deepan, Pachan, Vyayam, Kshudha, Vaman, Virechan, Asthapan Basti, Lekhan Basti, Vaitaran Basti, Kshar Basti, Rakta Mokshan, Peya, Vilepi and Yush, etc. Rukshan can include Marut Sevan, Udvartan, Valuka Swed, Churn Pind Swed, Pradhaman Nasya, etc. Swedan, as the name suggests, includes Treyodash type of Agni Swed and Dashved Niragni Swed. Brihan can include Snehepan of all the types, Bahya Snehan, Shashtik Shali Pind Swed, Annalepan, Mash Pind Swed, Kukkutand Pind Swed, Anuvasan Basti, Matra Basti, Kshir Basti, Yapana Basti, Brihan Nasya, Marsh and Pratimarsh Nasya, Snehan Nasya and Tarpanadikram, etc. Snehan will include Abhyantar and Bahya Snehan of all types, Anuvasan Basti, Matra Basti, Kshir Basti, Yapana Basti, Brihan Nasya, Marsh and Pratimarsh Nasya, as well as Snehan Nasya. And Stambal will include Avapid Nasya and Picha Basti, etc. Therefore, we can see there is not much difference in the basic principles as well as inclusions of both the types of Keraliya as well as Shastrokta Panchkarma. With this, we come towards conclusion of today's session. Thank you.